Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the backup camera installed on a Porsche Cayenne GTS 2013. This vehicle came with a factory navigation but no backup camera. Many of those cars don't have a factory camera, they come with sensors only. In this case it doesn't even have a sensors. So we have installed the flash mount camera in the back and we connected that to the factory screen. So now we're going to show you how it looks inside. Okay, so on the Porsche factory screen we have configured it to work with a backup camera. As soon as you put the car in reverse, we have the picture showing on the factory screen. Put it back to drive or park, goes back to the factory screen. Backup camera for Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Panamera and other vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel on the left corner. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.